Hi everybody, this is Miss Gilding. Today we continue our journey through the Sesame Street ABC Storybook. We're on letter C, a poem by Cookie Monster.
C is for cookies. Me like them a bunch. Me crunch them for dinner and breakfast and lunch. And then there are crumbs. Cookie crumbs are so yummy. Me sweep them off table and into my tummy. Did you know the word carton begins with a C? That's the box cookies come in. It tastes good to me. Well, that's all the C words me got for today. Me get in my car now and me drive away. Hey, wait! The word car starts with C. Boy, that's neat. Me thought me had run out of sea things to eat. Tasty, but not as good as cookie. Bye-bye.
Please remember to have your parents subscribe so you never miss a new story. And as always, I miss you, I love you, and I'll speak to you soon.